been an interesting day. Let's go.
Dog frickin' gone it. Garbage.
One eternity later.
Valuable lesson today. I'll roll a clicker in a minute, but I was on a ride, a nice ride. It was a beautiful day today, almost 60 degrees. A little sunny, a little cloudy, but it wasn't bad. I'm enjoying myself. I was going down a pretty busy road, going pretty fast, and my throttle cable just kicked the bucket. I had no throttle control whatsoever. Luckily, I was able to get over on the side of the road safely without dying, because dying is a little bad. Got over to the side. Hi, honey. My beautiful wife, who I love. I love you. I love you. Okay. Well, anyway, so I got off to the side, parked it, jumped off, and the throttle cable, so it goes to the carb, the little, I have no idea what it's called. Little screws attached to the carb, carries the cable down to the loop where it opens and closes it, whatever. Diagram hopefully somewhere in the video. They had popped off both sides. So both sides of the throttle cable were gone. So it was just spinning loose, no gas whatsoever. So I had to somehow figure out how to get in there. So luckily, I'm smart and I had zip ties in my backpack. What I didn't have was any sort of Allen keys or anything like that. So I had to jimmy my way into the bike. I'll see if I can show you. But yeah, so I stick my hand up in here and zip tie the two cables together. Luckily I was able to zip tie them together and get it all situated. This is able to ride home. I brought home a souvenir. I don't know what it is. I think it's I have no clue. I found it on the side of the road, so it's gonna stay with me forever and ever. Good luck. But yeah, zip tied it together and was able to ride home safely without dying. But it was scary. It made me think, I need to always have tools with me or else I'm gonna be screwed someday. Because if I didn't have that zip tie, I would have not been able to figure it out. I would not have been able to hold it together unless I ripped my clothes and made a little makeshift tie of some sort, but yeah. Hopefully if this thing is not too hot, I'll be able to pop it open, let you guys see what's going on. Cue the speed up thing. This is my little speedy up symbol. Yeah, it's speeding up real fast now. You're gonna see things go really fast. Taking everything apart, I had my friend John help me. Made it so much easier. If you're watching, John, thank you. He was the one that helped me get everything stripped off and get the carb out and clean the crap out of it. It was full, it was nasty. If you follow my Instagram, you know that I talked about it on there. It was full of like dirt, I'm not kidding. It was like black and brown and full. The bowls were, the bowl overfill valves that you can turn to drain them out. It was, you couldn't turn them. It was just full of junk, it was crazy. But yeah, we got them cleaned out. And it was fun. And see if you can see my temporary fix. I'm gonna grab my light. See right there, I had to zip tie the two cables together so they would not, come apart and screw me over. And I wish I would have done that before. Probably would have saved me the pain and suffering of having to do it on the side of the road, but it is what it is. Okay, so after all this, I think I'm gonna park the bike for the rest of the winter. I'm gonna strip off all the plastics, clean them up, fill the cracks, scratches and all that crap. I'm gonna paint it. So that when summer comes, I can enjoy it. And it'll be semi-perfect, if that makes sense. So we will see. I'm gonna go ahead and just end it here. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your time. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys stay tuned for the rest of the fun stuff. I'll be kind of filming the process of me fixing some of the dents and scratches here and there, and then painting it, of course. Hopefully all goes well. Thanks again, guys. Take it easy.